Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are well. So dear students, today I am here with the new chapter of English Gulmohar, English Reader, which is chapter 10, The King's Drum. Chapter 10, The King's Drum. The King's Drum. Okay. So dear children, kindly take out your English Gulmohar book and open page number 75. 75. Chapter 10, The King's Drum. Dear children, this lesson is about a tiger and a mouse deer. Okay. So let's read the book. So let's start. Chapter 10, The King's Drum. The King's Drum. Okay. One day, Tiger sees mouse deer by the river. Tiger jumps and catches him. Dear children, one day, Tiger sees a mouse deer near the river. As you can see here in this picture, in this chapter there was a tiger. He wants to eat mouse deer. For this, he jumps and catches him. He wants to jump and catches him. Okay. Tiger is very hungry because tiger was very hungry. He wants to eat mouse deer. He wants to eat mouse deer. Tiger was very hungry. He wants to eat mouse deer. Okay. Mouse deer is very scared. When tiger wants to catch mouse deer, the mouse deer was very scared. Mouse deer is very scared. Okay. Suddenly, mouse deer sees a beehive above him. He has an idea. Suddenly, mouse deer sees a beehive on the tree above him. Above him on the tree. Mouse, as you can see, there is a tree and one beehive on the tree. Okay. My mouse deer sees a beehive above him. As you can see, mouse deer is here and he sees a beehive above him. He has an idea. Mouse deer has an idea. Mouse deer says, "You cannot eat me now." Mouse deer says to tiger, "You cannot eat me now. I am looking after the king's drum." As mouse deer says to tiger, "You cannot eat me now. I am looking after the king's drum." Okay. The king's drum? Asked tiger. Tiger asked to my mouse deer, "King's drum?" Mouse deer points to the beehive. "Yes, there it is." Mouse deer points here. Beehive says, "Yes, there it is. It makes a very sweet sound." Mouse deer says to tiger, "It makes a very sweet sound. But the king does not want anyone to touch it." But king does not want anyone to touch it. The king does not want to touch this drum. Okay. The tiger thought this is king's drum. But what is this? This is a beehive. Okay. Now turn the page. Now open page number 76. Tiger says, "I must hear that sweet song." Tiger says, "But I must hear that sweet sound. I want to hear that sweet sound." "Let me beat the drum." Tiger says, "Let me beat the drum. I want to beat this drum. I must hear that sweet sound. I want to hear that sweet sound." "No, the king will not like that," says mouse deer. Mouse deer says, "No, the king will not like that." Tiger says, "Just once." Mouse deer, "Please." Tiger says, "Please, just once. I want to beat that drum. Please, only for one time. Please give permission. I want to beat that drum. All right, but I don't want the king to scold me. Mouse deer says, okay, that is fine, but I don't want the king to scold me. Let me go away. Let me go away, says mouse deer. Okay, mouse deer says, let me go away because king is scolding me. So for this, I want to go away, says mouse deer. Tiger is very happy and mouse deer goes away quickly. Tiger was very happy. Okay, and mouse deer goes away quickly. He hides behind some bushes. Mouse deer hides behind some bushes. Tiger picks up a stick, stands on a rock and beats the beehive. Tiger picks up a stick and stands on a rock. As you can see here, tiger is stand on a rock. Okay. He picks up a stick and beats the beehive. Buzz. The bees in the beehive are very angry. Okay. The bees in the beehive are very angry. When the tiger beats the beehive, the bees in the beehive are very angry. Okay. Now turn the page, open page number 77. They come out of the beehive. The bee sees tiger hitting the hive. Buzz. They attack tiger and sting him. When the bees come out from the beehive, they sees tiger hitting the hive and they attack tiger and sting him. Okay. Oh, cries tiger. He runs to the river and jumps into the cool water. When the bees stings tiger, tiger cries and he runs to the river and jumps into the cool water. Ah, says mouse deer, I am safe now. Now mouse deer is very hungry because he is safe now. So he says, mouse deer says, ah, I am safe now. Now I am safe. Okay. So dear children, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.